Active Water Solutions. Over the last 100 years, wastewater treatment technology in the United States has been relatively stagnant, tied primarily to painstaking activated sludge processes and involving a variety of operational nuances. But all that is changing. Active Water Solutions is a manufacturer of a transportable, self-contained wastewater treatment solution that can support the development of small communities and subdivisions, allow existing facilities to easily increase treatment capacity and replace aging systems, provide immediate relief in disaster areas, and even help underdeveloped countries expand sanitation infrastructure and clean water sources. So how does the Active Water Solutions system work? The core technology behind AWS is the Submerged Fixed Bed Biofilm Reactor, or SFBBR. Biological wastewater treatment requires bacteria and other microorganisms to break down organic matter in the liquid. But instead of the organisms floating randomly in the wastewater, where they can be prone to washouts and other disruptions, the biofilm development area in the AWS system is fixed. This stable growth environment leads to dramatically enhanced biofilm development and ultimately allows the AWS system to treat greater volumes of wastewater while producing less solid waste. Additionally, the AWS system is designed to flow in the same direction as gravity, which minimizes pumping and moving parts. This innovative process also eliminates the need for a return activated sludge component, and with it, many of the challenges and costs associated with system maintenance. Removing such a complex system component also benefits the operator. After a mere 3 days of training, new users are fully prepared to safely and effectively operate an AWS system. The SFBBR process used by AWS stems from methods first developed in Texas in 1939 and has been used extensively in Europe for over 20 years. Though initially a more costly solution than the activated sludge systems adopted widely across the U.S., new materials and manufacturing efficiencies have lowered the cost of SFBBR system components to the point of being a superior wastewater treatment solution in today's market. At equivalent flow and loading rates, the SFBBR process is not only more efficient than traditional wastewater treatment methods, it also boasts a substantially more compact footprint and is significantly more resilient to flow and variability shocks. What are the benefits of AWS? At AWS, we provide a wastewater treatment solution that's simple, easy to operate, and practical in a wide variety of environments. To lower energy requirements, we designed our system to rely on gravity rather than mechanical motion. To ensure maximum portability, we created units that are completely self-contained. And to minimize setup time, we committed to ship prefabricated units that could stand alone or quickly integrate into an existing wastewater treatment system. There are numerous applications where AWS can help. For the real estate developer, Active Water Solutions provides several big benefits. AWS is a wastewater treatment option that scales to meet the current phase of a project and allows for effective operation at a fraction of design capacity. This helps reduce costs by eliminating much of the pumping and hauling typical of a development in its early stages. By eliminating the need for septic systems, developers can not only build more units on a given lot, but can also create recurring revenue by charging sewer fees to each home. In fact, there are a wide variety of applications where the ability of AWS to provide immediate and decentralized wastewater treatment infrastructure can be a huge advantage. From mobile home and RV parks, to industrial sites, and even commercial buildings. And what about expanding or updating an existing system? If you're already up and running, the modular design of the AWS system can allow you to increase capacity with minimal cost. This is particularly beneficial for treatment facilities and municipalities that find themselves nearing forced planning due to increasing wastewater volumes. With AWS, system managers can literally drop in additional treatment capacity without extensive construction. Commercial sites with waste-driven equipment or processes, such as cooling towers, can incorporate an AWS system to recycle wastewater, thereby conserving potable water and saving on sewage costs. This concept also applies to large water use activities, such as agriculture, irrigation, and aquifer recharge. For domestic wastewater treatment applications, Active Water Solutions offers a stable, easy-to-operate treatment answer. Active Water Solutions, nature engineered.